guys, what's up? And we're gonna be playing a Skate 3 video. So, hold up. Okay, there we go. Okay, I fixed it now. Hey guys. So, you should subscribe to my, you should subscribe to, so you should,
everybody, I'm making a YouTube channel right now.
yeah, and guys, you should subscribe to Swagpole. You should. Hi, and guys, you should subscribe to you should subscribe to Avion. You should subscribe to Avion. You should subscribe to Swagpole Avion Gaming. He's the best YouTuber in the whole entire Xbox Live. Yeah. Yeah, and guys, you should subscribe to my video. Hold on, I need to turn this on. Okay. Oh shoot! What the? Ah! Turn. Hi YouTube. Okay. And guys, I have a lamp right here as a. Yeah, you yeah. That's his YouTube channel, guys. Oh shoot. Guys, Avion, switch to my camera. Avion, switch to my camera. Avion, switch to my camera. Switch to my camera. Ah! God dang it! What the heck? Where's my laptop at? Oh shoot, it's under here! Hold on, I got it. Okay. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And I'll see you guys on next time. Bye.